Let's see how to send bulk emails from Hostinger.
First of all, we need to log into our Hostinger Edge panel. Now from here we are going to click on emails. Select the email account associated with your domain and then click on manage from here. Scroll down from here and here you will see the mailboxes and all the emails that you have created on Hostinger. Now click on this arrow next to your email and you will be redirected to your inbox. Now to send bulk emails from Hostinger, we are going to click on compose. So here I have 10 emails, so I am going to copy them from here and then paste them here. So now we are going to add a subject. After that we are going to add the description and then click on send. And as you can see that our email is now sent successfully. And now if I click on send and select the email that we have just sent, and here you will see the recipients. So these are the email recipients. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.